It's K-Drama Fanatics here, and welcome back to my channel. The episode 14 begins with Jongwon realizing that the King Lee-in suspects him. The king has found out the truth and wants to bring him down, but the official is not ready to give up and start with his plan to evade the issue. Without giving away much information, the king orders his trusted subjects to investigate the traitor case without involving the principal director and his border defense council. Kim Jae-nam agrees to help the king in finding evidence to prove the criminal guilty. Meanwhile, Court Lady Dong mocks Sang-hwa for being careless and letting the king face near-death experience. The recovering Hee-soo feels bad for Dalha's arrest. She also feels terrible as the king left without saying a word to her. The next day at the assembly, the officials oppose the interrogation of Dalha regarding the spy issue that happened 3 years ago. The king becomes mad and yells at them all, and dismissing the assembly. When Myung-ha and the 3 other ministers have a private meeting, they talk about what happened at the assembly, and remembering the late father of Myung-ha, who was fixed that Lee-in is the one who arranged the spy. Myung-ha suddenly remember the moment that Yun-bo is the one who telling his father that Dalha and Lee-in often met in the courtesan's house. Myung-ha rushes out and finds Yun-bo. He threatens him to death and will tell the king about the issue that Yun-bo started it. The principal director meets Queen Dowager and tells her the truth about being the backbone of the spy case that happened 3 years back. He also sadly tells the Queen Dowager that if the king tries to cast him away, he will crumble him. Through Jae-nam, Hee-soo learns of the king's plans and decides to meet him. During their meeting, King Lee-in confesses to her the real truth about his late brother's last words and how he falsely ascended to the throne. Hee-soo shocks when she heard it, but she hugs the king and assures him that he did what's best to protect his loved ones and that she will be beside him no matter what. On the same day, Hee-soo meets Myung-ha and assures that the king is working on their behalf, but he gets mad at her for siding with the king when she's the one who plots a revenge plans. That night, when Hee-soo meets Dalha, he remembers the time when the principal director's servant, Mok-dong, recognized him. They realize that it is Mok-dong who said to the Shing officials about the spy Dalha. When Sang-hwa goes to arrest Mok-dong, they learn he's out of town. The principal director pays Mok-dong some money and asks him to get out of the town. When he leaves, Sang-hwa and his troop find him and try to catch him. However, an assassin kills Mok-dong and we learn that it is the principal director who assigned a person to carry out the crime. The king gets mad at how his uncle is causing the chaos and calls him to warn him. During their heated conversation, he gives him 2 options: to confess the crimes and get a minimal punishment, or be interrogated in public and be ashamed. The principal director asks for a day and leaves. Using this as an opportunity, Yun-bo pursues the principal director and promises to make Myung-ha join hands with them. He then leaves to speak to Myung-ha and makes him to agree to their plan. The following day, in front of the assembly, the principal director says that he has not done any crimes to confess. Then he leaves. The king says that with the evidence, he will catch the culprit. The king's only witness is the court Lady Dong, but before he can meet her, the principal director moves first. He hands her a box and warns her. Fearing her life, the court lady takes the box. We then learn that the court lady was the one who overheard Sang-hoon and the late king's conversation about sending a spy and informing the principal director about it. Court Lady Dong prepares for the night. She opens the box and we find a red lip tint, which she applies on her lips. At the king's room, the king Lee-in asks her to tell the truth about the principal director and promises to save her from the punishment. She agrees to it with the condition and last request. The king asks what is the wish she needs. Then the court lady comes closer to the king and trying to kiss him. And the episode ends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.